Hello everyone, I am Sonali Seth Chawla, Assistant Professor, Management Department, Sant Haridas College of Higher Education. Today I am going to discuss the subject Business Environment. It is the subject for BBA first year, and in this subject I am going to discuss Introduction to Business Environment. We are going to start with the introduction to business environment. Business environment consists of all those factors that implies those external forces, factors and institutions that is beyond the control of individual business organizations and their managements, but it has full effect on business enterprises and business entrepreneurship. Further, these external forces are customers, creditors, competitors, the government, the socio-cultural organizations, political parties, national and international organizations which have full effect on the business directly and somehow indirectly to the business enterprises. Now we are going to discuss about the features of business environment. Number one is totality of external forces. Business environment, as we all know, sum total of all the external forces which affect the business firms, individual firms, business enterprises directly or indirectly, and it is always aggregative in nature. Next is specific and general forces. Business environment includes both specific and general forces. Specific forces affect enterprises in day-to-day working, and general forces have impact on individual firms directly and somehow indirectly. Its next feature is dynamic nature. As business environment is dynamic in nature, it keeps on changing in terms of technological improvement, technological changes, shift in consumer preferences, entry of new firms, entry of new competitions in domestic market as well as in the international market. So business environment is dynamic in nature. Next is uncertainty. Business environment is largely uncertain. As we discussed in the earlier point, it keeps on changing. It is dynamic in nature. So it is very difficult to predict future happenings, especially when environment changes so frequently. And in case of IT technologies and fashion industry, it keeps on changes very fast. Next, we will discuss the types of environment. On the basis of environmental factors, the business environment has been classified into two different types: internal environment and external environment. So, next is internal environment. Internal environment is the environment which has direct impact on the business through internal factors of the company, and these factors are fully controllable by the company itself. These can be personal, physical facilities, organizational factors, functional factors, marketing, etc. Next we have external environment. In external environment, we have those factors which have indirect influence on the business firms, and these factors are uncontrollable by an individual firms or business enterprises. These factors are of again two types: micro environment and macro environment. So next we have microenvironment. Microenvironment is also called task environment or operational environment because it has those forces which have direct influence on the operations of the business firm or business enterprises. These are number one, suppliers. As suppliers, we know the most important force in the micro environment, and company is the supplier which supply inputs and raw material and components to the customers and other companies. As the forms of microenvironment, after suppliers, customers are the most important part of business dealings. The major task of business is to create and sustain the customers. Any business can exist, any business firm can exist only because of its customers. Next, we have market intermediaries. Market intermediaries such as the agents, the merchandisers, which helps the company and the customers to have a close sales between them. The last are the finances. Finances, again, the most important factor of internal microenvironment, as all the companies, sometimes customers, need finances to invest for their businesses. Next, I will explain macro environment. It is also known as general environment and remote environment, as it does not affect directly to the business firms or the companies in business dealings, but it has fully influence and impact on the business investment and business dealings. These environmental factors are uncontrollable by the company, but success of the company depends upon its adaptability to the environment. So macro environment is indirectly influence the business firms and business environment, but it influence in uncontrollable manner. We have types of macro environment. Number one is economic environment. Economic environment means the nature of economic system, the business cycle, the socio-economic infrastructure of the country, and aggregate of all these economic system in a nation. Next, we have social environment. It refers to the social dimensions, social values, the value system of the society, and the social factors of the society, social customs of the society, which affects directly and indirectly to the mobility of the business. Another one of macro environment, we have political environment. The most important environment which influence the political nature, political society of the country, and hence influence the fully economic environment and economic status, business environment of the country. So political environment influence the political organization, the philosophy of political parties, ideology of the government or party in power, nature, extent of bureaucracy, influence the business groups of the country. Next, we have legal environment. Most important part again, it includes flexibility and adaptability of law and other legal rules governing the business, which includes the exact ruling and decision of the courts. Another most important type of macro environment is technical environment. Without technology, no industrial development, no economic development is done. The business in the country is greatly influenced by the technological development. Which type of technology is adopted by the industries, by the companies, by the business enterprises, which determines the type and quality of goods and services to be produced, and what type of plant and what quality of plants, what type of infrastructure, what type of equipments has to be used. This only depends on the technological development, the technical environment of the country. That's all we have in this topic. I hope you will appreciate and understand the matter given in the topic. Thank you so much.